Eudralex Volume 4 Good Manufacturing Practice Guidelines. Chapter 1 Pharmaceutical Quality System. Pharmaceutical Quality System GMP applies to the life cycle stages from the manufacture of investigational medicinal products, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing, through to product discontinuation. The size and complexity of the company's activities should be taken into consideration when developing a new pharmaceutical quality system or modifying an existing one. The design of the system should incorporate appropriate risk management principles, including the use of appropriate tools. While some aspects of the system can be company-wide and others site-specific, the effectiveness of the system is normally demonstrated at the site level. Pharmaceutical quality system appropriate for the manufacture of medicinal products should ensure that product realization is achieved by designing, planning, implementing, maintaining, and continuously improving a system that allows the consistent delivery of products with appropriate quality attributes. Product and process knowledge is managed throughout all life cycle stages. Medicinal products are designed and developed in a way that takes account of the requirements of good manufacturing practice. Production and control operations are clearly specified and good manufacturing practice adopted. Managerial responsibilities are clearly specified. Arrangements are made for the manufacture, supply, and use of the correct starting packaging materials, the selection and monitoring of suppliers, and for verifying that each delivery is from the approved supply chain. A state of control is established and maintained by developing and using effective monitoring and control systems for process performance and product quality. The results of product and process monitoring are taken into account in batch release, in the investigation of deviation, and with a view to taking preventive action to avoid potential deviation occurring in the future. All necessary controls on intermediate products and other in-process controls and validation are carried out. Continual improvement is facilitated through the implementation of quality improvements appropriate to the current level of process and product knowledge. Arrangements are in place for the prospective evaluation of plan change and the approval prior to implementation, taking into account regulatory notification and approval where required. After implementation of any change, an evaluation is undertaken to confirm the quality objectives were achieved and that there was no unintended deleterious impact on product quality. An appropriate level of root cause analysis should be applied during the investigation of deviations, suspected product defects, and other problems. This can be determined using quality risk management principles. Medicinal products are not sold or supplied before a qualified person has certified that each production batch has been produced and controlled in accordance with the requirements of marketing authorization and any other regulation relevant to the production, control, and release of medicinal products. Satisfactory arrangements exist to ensure as far as possible that the medicinal products are stored, distributed, and subsequently handled so that quality is maintained throughout their shelf life. There is a process for self-inspection and or quality audits which regularly appraises the effectiveness and applicability of the pharmaceutical quality system. Senior management has the ultimate responsibility to ensure an effective pharmaceutical quality system is in place, adequately resourced, and that rules, responsibilities, and authorities are defined, communicated, and implemented throughout the organization. There should be periodic management review with the involvement of senior management of the operation of the pharmaceutical quality system to identify opportunity for continual improvement of products, processes, and the system itself. The pharmaceutical quality system should be defined and documented. A quality manual or equivalent documentation should be established and should contain a description of the quality management system, including management responsibilities. Thanks for your attention.